Isa na ngang halimbawa na pang-international na talaga ang SB19 dahil ang mga magagandang dilag na ito ay dumayo pa sa Pilipinas para manood ng concert ng mga bano. Hindi lang yan, may mga dala pa silang mga freebies, souvenirs na kung saan talaga namang daw napaka-quality ayon sa nag-post nito. Sa naging caption ni Janice Bly, sinabi niyang mga magagandang foreigner na 18 na namigay ng freebies, stickers sa fan zone. Dahil natuwa ako na magpa-picture kahit nakakahiya, palakasan lang ng loob, hahaha, kahit sobrang init, grabe parang gustong-gusto pa nilang magbilad sa araw. Hindi lang sila, may mga Koreans or Japanese din or Taiwanese pa kaming nakita na namigay ng freebies. I don't know anong bansa sila pero grabe ang ganda ng quality ng pinamimigay nila. Wow, hindi lang basta fans, talagang mga pretty sila ha. Anyway, narito naman ang naging update ng Asian Inquirer, kung saan ay madalas talaga nilang bigyan ng magandang feedback ang SB19. Mula sa Asian Inquirer, SB19 Trilogy Finale unites global celebrities and fans. SB19 successfully concluded their massive wakas at simula trilogy finale at the SMDC Festival grounds. Thousands of 18 members from across the globe traveled to Manila for the historic ikalawang yugto closure. The highly organized fan base executed a spectacular drone light show and distributed hundreds of Galaxy Roses. High-profile local stars including Vice Ganda and Barbie Fortesa joined the massive crowd in Parañaque City na for sure ay nakatanggap po sila ng invitation and very proud na pinaunlakan. Fans transformed the venue into a festive community hub with air-conditioned tents for senior citizens. The group's final performances of Gento and Wakas prompted a synchronized display of lighted roses. Event organizers noted the exceptional discipline of attendees who meticulously cleaned the festival grounds after the show. The landmark concert serves as a definitive statement on the global reach of Philippine music. The diverse list of attendees highlights the group's cross-cultural appeal within the modern entertainment landscape. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.